Alrighty. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome everyone on YouTube here. And hope everyone had a great weekend. And again, I am still I'm a little sick, guys. I had a little bit of the flu, high fever over the last couple nights. So, pardon my voice today, but again, like I said here, the show must go on. So, let's get right to this. So, I got two setups here. Um, one of which I believe we're going to take the setup for. So there's GJ here, came out of this range. We got USD CAD here, which I like here. So I'm going to go with USD CAD. I feel like that's respecting the level more than GJ just pushing up strong here. So I'm going to go ahead and set the trade idea here for USD CAD sell stops. It's not far off from me, about 6 pips. So looking at what, 133,860. Yeah, I think it's going to make a strong push. We got 4 minutes before London opening here, and we could get that push above before. And again, I may enter prior to London opening. Just it depends on how fast it moves to the top end of this range. All right. Hello everyone. I'll be here from half eight. Just getting kids ready. Okay, John. And I just joined a few minutes ago. Did I miss? Nope. Nothing has been missed. This would be our first setup if this formalizes. This USD CAD setup here for the day for the week. Alrighty. All right, it's pushing. All right, 3 minutes to go. So 12 pips on both sides. And that's fair. Alrighty. Oh, hold on. This should be 12 pips here. 740. Yep. Alrighty. Okay. Here we go. Vegeta's pushing back here as well. Look at that. It's going to be an interesting push here. Vegeta's really pushing here. Alright, we got 2 minutes left. We'll see how this works out. Look at that push from USD CAD. Okay. We're about, again, this EMA here is what? 30-minute EMA is just a few pips away. Maybe, yeah, a couple pips away. And then we got this top end of the range here about 5 pips away. I'm looking for another 6-7 pips above before I consider these sell stops. It's pushing here. We got less than a minute left before London opening. And again, I have everything ready here. Just need to place the order once USD CAD jumps above, if it does. Alrighty. Well, GD made a push here. London opening. Here it is. Here it is. USD CAD as well pushing. Okay. GG has no bottom wick here. Alright. Did not push above. GJ. And yes, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Which confirmation are you looking at when setting up the setup? A bunch of factors here: candle openings, volume, London opening volume kicking in, how it can, maybe appear to do a fake out before reversal, a small range level here, right? So a bunch of different factors that we look at. Yeah, and GD is attempting to push down here, guys, but it is looking weak. The 1 hour did close below. Again, this is a new 2 hour candle as well. Is a 4 hour candle now going to push above or push right down here? Right, so 2 hour candle did close above this level here. So that'll be interesting. Again, I still feel USD CAD can come up here. More inclined to take this USD CAD setup than the GJ setup. All right, GJ still pushing here. And here comes USD CAD. Alrighty. Look at some of the fundamental events today. We got Euro News meeting impact 4 a.m. Eastern time. That's an hour from now. And we do have some JPY news down here. That's into Asian session after the rollover, right? This, of course, is Eastern time here, so it's still Monday night for me. We do have some tentative news JPY prior to the stream tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. GJ pushed up as well. And I was looking for one more push from USD CAD here. Of course, there's a 30-minute EMA right above. It still didn't tap that either. So we're just patiently waiting for this. Alrighty. We got a little bit of a push from GJ, but nothing nothing drastic from USD CAD here. And I'm still leaning on getting that push to the upside for USD CAD. Still didn't tap the 30-minute EMA. Again, still waiting on USD CAD to tap the 30-minute EMA and then push above. Man, it's gone really, really slow here right after the opening. 6 minutes in. Still nothing. All right, here comes USD CAD right back up again. Alrighty, so USD CAD did not tap the 30-minute EMA. It's coming down here, but again, I still don't feel it's ready yet. And dude is pushing down here, but I could consider this pushing up here. So let me see if I consider buy stops above this level here. So it pushes down here, and then consider buy stops at this level to continue up here. Let's see how that works out. Oh wow, USD CAD is really pushing here. There is a non-wick candle down there, right here where the EMA tap is as well, the 5-minute EMA. And again, we're still very early with this London opening candle. We still got 7 minutes to go before the 15-minute candle opening. The new 15-minute candle. So a lot of time left. Alrighty. Alright, well, guys, it is Monday. Man, it's gone really, really slow here. Right, not much movement here from USD CAD either. Didn't get much of a pickup of volume here with London opening. 3 pips, it moved down pretty much. 3 to 4 pips. GJ got some movement here. But this range level is too small to trade here. If it reaches above this level here, but I mean then it could continue up here. So it's a little risky there. While USD CAD just keeps pushing here. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. We got this push down here, but again, nothing much out of this setup here so far. It did fill up this non-wick candle, tap the EMA. And again, it's too small here to even trade or consider this, so we need to push above. This is the new 15-minute candle. And again, Judy's still coming down here, but nonetheless, I think Judy's going to continue up, at least temporarily. If it does push above this level here, I'll consider something here. But wow, USD CAD is really pushing here. Look at that. Again, the 30-minute close is coming up. It nearly tapped it. Did not tap it quite, but nearly tapped here. But wow, USD CAD, that push is pretty strong there. No top wick though. Can come right back up. And yes, good morning. Good morning. Rather slow opening here. Again, it is Monday here. So still looking for our first setup to enter for the day, for the week. And yeah, we had an amazing week last week. A lot of ranging markets, to the T, which, is expected of December. And, we trade the range. So it's in our benefit that, we trade more during this month. Right? So most often, I've seen that there's a lot of traders that just leave, for the second half of December and come back maybe mid-January. But because the strategy that I teach and that I'm presenting to you guys on these live streams is all to do with the range. So we only trade ranging markets. And so it's in our benefit to capitalize on as many setups as possible for December. And, if you've been around since last week and beyond, we captured a lot of wins, a lot of setups, and pretty much everyone has been hitting. Nearly. All right, here's that push from GJ. Again, USD CAD still struggling at this level here. Got a new 5-minute candle coming up. And no top wick on the current candle for USD CAD. All right, new 5-minute candle, no bottom wick. So the previous candle actually has no top wick and bottom wick, and this one has no bottom wick here. But it is at a slight, point of resistance here, or support. And we could see it push up all the way again. GJ came right back down, but again, this is a tough setup to enter here. All right, what I can consider here, guys, is that I can consider buys here for GJ because I think maybe USD CAD may delay here, but for GJ, oh, it's moving fast here. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, so it did not come down and tap the 5 minute EMA, which was what I was looking for, and a slight push down. And here comes USD CAD. Okay. And guys, I will, make an announcement for now. For today's live stream on YouTube, I won't be sticking around for too long, guys. Again, I just not feeling the best today, so I am gonna be cutting the YouTube stream short today. Um, if both don't formalize by the time, maybe up to an hour, the timer that's running on the screen. If there's nothing that formalizes by an hour into the stream, I will be exiting, and then the rest of the stream will be on Zoom for members only. And again, if you are interested in the Zoom streams, right? So I do have, if you look at the top right or top left of the screen, there is a paid trial where you can have, a look at the Zoom streams, and if you feel it's something that you would be interested in, for there's two packages. There's the essentials and I think the basic, where you can have it three times a month. I think the first 3 Tuesdays, if you choose the smaller package, you'll get a kind of a little glimpse of how we do the live streams on Zoom. And there's a larger package of 6 streams. So it is, fairly priced. So if you're interested, but you don't want to, get onto the full mentorship, you could try the fewer sessions and then consider for the next month if you want to enroll into the mentorship. So I've made it, accessible as well for everybody, with a lower price, just to kind of get a sneak peek, for a few sessions a month. And then if you're interested, you can enroll afterwards. And again, that's based on the request that I had from some members. and some viewers where they wanted to try a trial here, but um, yeah, I have that set up. And again, if you're interested, you can take a look at that. Alrighty, no top wick, so 2 consecutive 5-minute candles. We are approaching the 30-minute close. We got the 5-minute down there, 15, 30-minute, 1 hour is right there, the 2 hours above, 4 hours above as well. Okay, very interesting. Here's GJ pushing down here. Okay, GJ's pushing down strong here, so I may have to wait until, unless I get a drastic push down here, I may wait until the new 30-minute candle here. So we may actually get a setup here. Alrighty. Nope. So he came right back. Did not tap even the 5-minute EMA. Came right back up. Created an engulfing end on the current candle. And then there is the non-wick candle above. And you see CAD pushing down again here. So as I mentioned, guys, again, if for the next 10 minutes or so, if there's nothing that formalizes, I will be, um, cutting the YouTube stream short today, and then the rest will be continued on Zoom. And let's see what happens here. Alrighty, so GJ did come back down here. Again, 30-minute, 15-minute EMAs are down. And you see CAD is pushing down here as well. Okay. Alright, so any second now we got the new 30-minute candle coming up. Alright, here's a new 30-minute candle. See for both pairs. You see CAD is pushing up. GJ is pushing up as well. Okay. All right, again, USD CAD still struggling to come up here, and GJ struggling to push down here before I can consider these buy stops. Okay, here comes GJ. Alrighty, okay. Alright, here's the push, guys. Okay. Oh wow, USD CAD pushed down strong here, so we could see it push all the way down here. And GJ is still struggling to push down. Wow, what a push from USD CAD here. All right, guys, another 5 minutes here, and I am gonna exit the YouTube stream if we don't get something out of here. I do see another few setups here again, but again, for me to deep dive into them, it will take time. So I'm gonna leave that for the Zoom streams, or for the Zoom stream that is. Let's see, we may get something here. Nope, it did not come down. All right, another push from GJ here. Come on, GJ. And USD CAD is really pushing here now. All right, here's GJ. Okay, here's a push. Alrighty. And look at the 15-minute, 30-minute EMA as well. All right, guys, if this pushes back up here, I'm going to exit the stream. If it pushes down here, I'll stay on here on YouTube. So let's see what happens here. Let's see. Alrighty, guys, here's the move. So good thing it happened in in due time here. So I'll be looking for the buys here, but waiting for GD to hit or tap the 30-minute and 15-minute EMA. Right, so 15 as well as it's a little slightly lower. And by the time GJ reaches that, you guys can see here, it's gonna be about 10 pips below the buy stop entry. So I think that's a very comfortable entry. Considering that the EMA is about 10 pips below. So let's see here. Of course, understanding that GJ could push down here as well, but I am gonna make this a potential setup here. So 50-minute EMA is right there, and could consider these buys. And it's about 25 pips, yeah. 25 pip stop loss, 25 pip TP. Can you show your setting for EMA's 50 EMA 50? All right, did not get to the 50-minute EMA, so I'm not going to consider this yet. No, if it comes right back up, because it could push down again and reach these levels down here, right? And there's also the aspect of it reaching in this range that it was, in all throughout since Friday into Monday morning here. So that's why it'd be more risky to enter here for the buys. And so, guys, yeah. So if it doesn't push down here, guys, I am gonna leave the YouTube stream again. I'm not in the best of health today, so I will be exiting the YouTube stream if it does not push down here significantly, because again, it could drag on here, and just not willing to be too long on YouTube today. I will, however, continue on Zoom though, right? So I do want to mention that for all the membership members. All right, guys, still rejecting here, and let's see how the new 5-minute candle opens up. If it doesn't give in here, then yeah, I will exit here, guys. It's a lot of slow movement today from both pairs. We did get that push down here, but again, after quite some time, yeah, G is still not making that move. So we could again wait until the hour close here, and it's gonna continue to drag on here. So, all right, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot continue the stream much longer today. So again, for membership members, I will continue on Zoom. For YouTube guys, I will see you guys back tomorrow. An hour before London opening here. So again, I appreciate everybody joining, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.